Hey, do you think palm trees can only come from hard countries? Well, think again. Oh! Consider back for another awesome episode. And yeah, so this episode is, well, I'm going to be showing nature. So let's get into it. Yeah. This is ancient. This is actually ancient forest my nan lives at. And look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Bluebells. See all the branches and that. It's beautiful. Seen en suite like this. Look, you got your toilet. You got your bathroom. You got everything you need here. So, yeah, next one up is Mexican blossom. Yep, this is a Mexican blossom, and this looks beautiful. Yeah, earlier I think spiders have bred on this so much that there's a white spider living on this. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but yeah, there's a white spider, and he blends in with those little things there. See? And yeah, so here it is. Next one is my little garden. So yeah, this is one of those like toy sand washing kits you get when you're tiny. And now, like really old, I've used it for a garden. And if you can see in here, take that out. My dog bit his head off, so now he's carrying his head. Oops, I just dropped his head. Doesn't matter, I'll fix that later. So the next one up is the pond. Yep, a pond. Natural, completely natural pond. Well, I guess it's not completely natural considering someone dug it out with a digger, but still. Actually, the reason why it isn't going down is because it's full with clay to the brim, and it's got water in it, and the water is rainwater, so I guess you could call it natural. So yeah, this is the pond, and we'll just do a walk round. Is palm tree. Oh yeah, this is an awesome palm tree. So yeah, next one up is Japanese maple. So yeah, it's an acer basically. So yeah, this is awesome. If you look, I'll show you the leaves of like everything I showed in a sec. But yeah, the leaves are like bit like hands if you okay. Anyway, that's the end of this one. So yeah, next one is a willow. Yep, this is a willow. A willow, a massive, ginormous willow. It's awesome. If you look, steady, come steady. Nice. Oh man, but still it looks awesome. So yeah, that's the end of this one. Next one is the end. Yep, so it's the end now, and yeah, so bye guys.